Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a homemade foam booster for our soap and liquid soap and other detergents. Today we are making use of our Texabond and sulfonic acid. Yes. So we will need 1 liter of Texapon gel and 1 liter of sulfonic acid. So we are going to make about 10 liters of foam boosters. Yeah. So right now I'm pouring my Texapon gel into it. And as you know, everyone know the use of a Texapon gel and sulfonic acid. If you are into soap business or into soap making, so we are coming to mix combine these two together and mix it together. I will speed it up so that it will be very fast. The video is a little bit long. Whilst mixing it, we will set aside about 7.5 liters of water aside and 500 grams of lime or soda. So when you mix it to a certain level or its hardness, you start mixing the water bit by bit to it. You just mix it till consistent. So right now I've mixed. The more you are mixing, the more is boosting up. Let's enjoy how the video is going and steady it. Though it's not that hard to do, but it's a little hard working whilst doing it because you'll be using more of your hand whilst mixing it. So it's a little bit hard when mixing it with your hand. But the more you are mixing, the more it's getting added, the more you are adding water to it. And this type of soap booster is very effective. I mean, very, very effective. Though mixing the water, you can go more than 7.5, depending how thick you want it. As for me, I want it very thick. That's why I'm using 7.5 water and 500 grams of lime. But if you want it a little lighter, you can go more like 8 liters or more, 8 liters or 8.7. But for me, I want it very thick, so I went in with 7.5 liters. So we'll be adding the water smoothly to it, so to make the work a little bit easier for me. And it's all easy. I was so tired, my hands were damn tired. And it formed too. When you are doing it and you are seeing the foam inside, it shouldn't discourage you. You are on the right track. Be adding the water bit by bit. Now if you can see, you see that it's becoming a little bit lighter once we are adding the water to it. And now I've gotten the consistency that I want, so I've added the 500 grams of the lime to it. I mean the soda. So now it's okay for me. So even if you see the lumps inside, the moment you add the lime to it, it will melt everything that is inside. And remember to cover it very well so that the heat will let it melt and give you the consistency that you want. So we are done with it now, so I'm coming to cover it and go and put it in a very warm place. following day. And remember, anytime you are using or you are coming to do your soap and you have seen that maybe your soap is not foaming well, you can add a little bit to it to make your soap foam well, especially and liquid soap too. So now I'm done. This is 24 hours. We are coming to open it and see how it has cured. Ta-da! See how it's very nice and very thick. I mean, very very thick. I told you, as for me, I want mine very thick. So watch mine. And I got 10 liters actually from it. I had 10 liters of the booster in it, so I'm putting it inside my gallon. I mean, it formed very well, very very well, and it came out very nice too. And remember, it's not every sulfonic acid that you get it very clear or very dark. Some of them are a little bit light, so after you are done with it, you will not get it this that color like that. Yeah. And I've not even add anything around the gallon, but I see how the water is foaming. So you can give it a try and see, and if you have any questions too, you can ask me. And please don't forget to follow me and like it and see more of this. Thank you.